Hello all, welcome back to NSA Maths. Next example on method of variation of parameter. D square minus 6d plus 9 into y is equals to e raised to 3x upon x square. So for complementary function, auxiliary equation is d square minus 6d plus 9 equals to 0. That is d minus 3 bracket square equals to 0. So what are the roots? 3, 3. So CF is C1 plus C2x into e raised to 3x. So that can be written as C1 into e raised to 3x plus C2 into x e raised to 3x. So value of y1 is e raised to 3x and value of y2 is x into e raised to 3x. Pi is given by uy1 plus vy2. U can be calculated by the formula integration of minus y2 f of x upon w dx, and v is integration of y1 f of x upon w dx, where w is Wronskian, that is determinant y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. This is equals to value of y1 is e raised to 3x, value of y2 is x into e raised to 3x. y1 dash, that is derivative of e raised to 3x, it is 3 e raised to 3x, and value of y2 or derivative of y2 x into e raised to 3x, derivative is 3x e raised to 3x plus e raised to 3x by using u into v. Then this is equals to multiplication, we will get 3x e raised to 6x plus e raised to 6x minus multiplication of these two, 3 e raised to 6x. So 3 into x, 3 into x e raised to 6x. So 3x e raised to 6x minus 3x e raised to 6x will get cancelled. We will get e raised to 6x, that is value of w. Then u is equals to integration of minus y2 upon f of x, minus y2 f of x upon w dx. This is equals to integration of minus y2 is x into e raised to 3x into f of x is right hand side of our given differential equation, e raised to 3x upon x square upon w is e raised to 6x dx. Minus sign taken outside, integration of e raised to 3x into e raised to 3x, that is e raised to 6x, x upon x square, that is denominator is x, into this e raised to 6x dx. E raised to 6x get cancelled, so we will get minus integration 1 upon x dx, that is minus of integration of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Integration of 1 upon x is log x. So this is our value of u. Then v is equals to integration of y1 f of x upon w dx. This is equals to integration of value of y1 is e raised to 3x into f of x is e raised to 3x upon x square upon w is e raised to 6x dx. So after simplifying this, you will get integration of 1 upon x square dx. Integration is minus 1 upon x. So value of v is minus 1 upon x. Therefore pi is uy1 plus vy2. Value of y1 is e raised to 3x into u is minus of log x, plus value of y2 is x into e raised to 3x into v is minus of 1 upon x. So simplifying, you will get minus e raised to 3x log x, then x get cancelled, minus of e raised to 3x, that is value of pi. Then general solution, y is equals to cf plus pi. Value of cf is c1 plus c2x into e raised to 3x, and pi is minus e raised to 3x log x minus e raised to 3x. So that is our final answer. Next example, d square minus 4d plus 4 into y is equals to e raised to 2x into sec square x. So auxiliary equation is d square minus 4d plus 4 equals to 0. That is d minus 2 bracket square equals to 0. So roots are 2 comma 2. So CF is c1 plus c2x into e raised to 2x. That is c1 e raised to 2x plus c2x e raised to 2x. Here value of y1 is e raised to 2x and value of y2 is x into e raised to 2x. Pi is given by uy1 plus vy2, where value of u is integration of minus y2 f of x upon w dx. Value of v is integration of y1 f of x upon w dx, and w can be calculated by using the formula determinant of y1 y2 y1 dash y2 dash. This is equals to value of y1 is e raised to 2x, value of y2 is x into e raised to 2x. y1 dash, that is derivative of e raised to 2x, 2 e raised to 2x. y2 dash, so u into v rule, so it is 2x e raised to 2x plus e raised to 2x. Solving this multiplication, 2x e raised to 4x plus e raised to 4x, and minus sign, multiplication of these two, 2x e raised to 4x. So these two terms get cancelled. We will get e raised to 4x is value of w. Therefore u is integration of minus y to f of x upon w dx. This is equals to integration of minus of y2, so minus x e raised to 2x into f of x, it is e raised to 2x into sec square x upon w is e raised to 4x dx. Now in the numerator, e raised to 2x and this e raised to 2x, it is e raised to 4x. This e raised to 4x cancel with this e raised to 4x. So we will get integration of minus x sec square x dx. So using by parts rule to solve this, suppose that this is our u and this is our v. So using by parts rule, the integration is minus x as it is, integration of v, integration of sec square x, minus sign, integration of derivative of first term, derivative of minus x into integration of sec square x dx into again dx. This is equals to this minus x, and integration of sec square x is tan x. So we will get here minus x tan x. Then this minus and derivative of minus x, it is minus 1. So minus minus plus, integration of this integration as it is, integration of sec square x is tan x dx. This is equals to minus x tan x, and integration of tan is log of sec x. This is value of u. Then v is equals to integration of y1 f of x upon w dx. This is equals to integration of y1 is e raised to 2x into f of x is e raised to 2x sec square x upon w is e raised to 4x dx. Now multiplication, e raised to 2x into e raised to 2x, it is e raised to 4x, cancel with this e raised to 4x. So the remaining term is integration of sec square x dx. Integration of sec square x is tan x. So this is value of v. Therefore pi is equals to uy1 plus vy2. y1 is e raised to 2x into u. u is, value of u is minus x tan x plus log of sec x plus vy2. y2 is x e raised to 2x into tan x. So simplifying this, we will get this minus x e raised to 2x into tan x plus e raised to 2x log of sec x plus x into e raised to 2x tan x. So first term and last term plus minus get cancelled. We will get e raised to 2x into log of sec x. This is a particular integral PR. Therefore, general solution is given by y is equals to CF plus PI. CF is equals to C1 plus C2x into e raised to 2x plus PI is e raised to 2x into log of sec x. So this is our final answer for this non-homogeneous differential equation. Now examples for practice. D square y by dx square plus 9y equals to 6 3x and d square y by dx square minus y equals to 2 upon 1 plus e raised to x. So these two examples for practice. Solve these two examples by using method of variation of parameter. If you have any doubt, then you can comment me. Thank you.